In this video, we'll show you how to log into MetaTrader 5 step by step, quickly and easily. The first thing we need to do is open MetaTrader 5 on our computer or mobile device. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can download it from the official MetaTrader website or from the appropriate app store. Once we're inside MetaTrader 5, we'll go to the login section. Here, we'll see different options related to accounts and available servers. Next, we'll select the option to log in to an existing account. At this point, we'll need to enter the details provided by our broker, usually our account number, or login, password, and the appropriate server. It's very important to select the correct server, because if we choose a different one from the server assigned by our broker, MetaTrader 5 won't be able to connect to our account properly. Once we've entered all the required information, we'll click Login and wait a few seconds while MetaTrader 5 establishes the connection. If we're having trouble logging in, the first thing we should check is whether our account number, password, and server are correct. It's also important to make sure we have a stable internet connection and that we're using the MetaTrader 5 login details provided by our broker. And that's it. As you can see, logging in to MetaTrader 5 is a fairly simple process, as long as we have the correct login details and select the right server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.